Hello students, it's time for natural science, and this week we study inventions. You have to read 2 pages in your natural science book, page 98 and 99. Then you have to make a timeline of some important inventions. Let's look for a moment at these 2 pages. They tell us some examples, 7 examples, of inventions in transport and communication. For example, in the year 1804, they invented the steam train. It changed the way people and products could move from one place to another. In the year 1885, they invented the car. Cars using petrol, now individual people, families can move from one place to another fast and anytime they want. In the year 1903, they invented the airplane. And think about how amazing this invention was. Now, humans can fly. So those are some important inventions in transport. The next page gives us 4 examples of inventions in communications. For example, in the year 1837, they invented the telegraph. You can see this picture. It was a machine to send messages over distances. That message is SOS. It means help in Morse code. Also, in the same year, 1837, they invented the computer. Not a computer like this computer or your computer, a computer that did calculations. It changed everything. Later, in the year 1876, they invented the telephone. And now people can speak and listen to other people over very long distances. And in our book, they give one more example of, in 1941, they invented technology to make wireless communication. And it's very possible you are using a wireless device right now. So that's the information, but now we have to organize this information. In your notebook, you can see here, there's a timeline of inventions. And you can see in the timeline, there's the title, and here there are pictures, the steam train, the telegraph, computer, telephone, car, airplane, wireless, the dates, and here's the name. You can copy this in your notebook on paper, or you can do it with a Google Slides presentation. And I want to show you how. In Google Classroom, you have this document, and if you open it, it says, make a timeline. Put the parts in the correct place. Now here's the solution. So here you don't do anything. But on the second page, here, this timeline looks bad. It's all broken. Well, what you have to do is take the pictures, put them in the correct place. So first we had the steam train, and then what came next? Do you remember? After the steam train? Ah, yes, the telegraph, then the computer. Okay, then the telegraph, and then the computer, and then the telephone, and then the car, and then the airplane, and then wireless. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is wireless fidelity. And then you have to put these in the correct place too. So let's see. Let's take this one here and we'll move it right here. I took 2 of them, but that's okay. Now this one here. Wireless. This one goes over here. It's the last one. What's the second one? Aha, the telegraph. So you have to move it until it's in the correct place. What do you think? Can you do this? The telegraph is here. A little bit more. Come on. I like that better. Next, the computer. Let's move the computer now. We'll put it right here. Oh. So you move it until you think it's just right. You continue the telephone here. And when you put all of them in the correct place, you send me this timeline. Good job. You have just made a timeline, and now you know some of the most important inventions. Good job, students. We're done. Bye-bye.